Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. Then I have these plastic Ziploc bags with corresponding numbers, and again I wrote down what's inside the bag and how it should be casted. And the most important things I want my caster to know is from what material is my mold made, in this case wax. In what material do I want to have this casted? Is it silver, gold? And if it's gold, is it yellow gold, warm yellow gold, 18 carats, 14 carats, and so on? And finally, do I want to have this casted with material from my caster, so that he will supply the silver or gold? Or do I have silver or gold that I want him to use? And if I do, I will add that in a separate Ziploc bag. And this is the moment we have been waiting for. I just got this bag from the caster. I haven't opened this box yet, so I am really curious to find out what's in here. So let's take a look. Still some tape here. And here we have our casted items. Finally, I am so curious to take a good look at all of them. And what we are going to do, I am going to show you the wax item first. And after that, I will show you the casted item. And I already know where I want to start. And I'm going to zoom in here on all the pieces I am shipping out, so you can see the before and after. Let's start with this one. I am going to have this casted in gold because I think it would look really cool on a ring, maybe by adding a pearl to the side. As you can see, this is very, very thin, so I am curious how this is going to end up after casting. And as you can see, this turned out beautifully. The sprue is still on here, I have to take it off, but it really took over all of the shapes I pressed in there, and you can even see here the small ridges I still had in my wax piece. So this is really a very precise way of casting. Really very, very happy with this one. And let's start out with this gold leaf. It really was a breeze cleaning this one up. I took off the sprue, sanded it, polished it very lightly, and this is the result. And I'm quite happy with how everything is looking, and I hope you enjoyed watching how jewelry is made from wax into silver or gold.